Hello dear students, today we'll be learning new lesson in English, that is sounds in the middle of words. So students, here are different words given. First is sat, S-A-T, sat. So students, over here A in the middle of the word sat is forming a sound of sat. Now next word is sun, S-U-N, sun. So students, alphabet U in the middle is forming a sound of sun. Then comes D-E-N, den. So over here E is forming sound of den. Then comes M-A-P, map. So students, A in the middle over here again is forming a sound of map. Then comes F-I-T, feet. So I forms sound of feet. Then comes log, L-O-G, log. So alphabet O over here in the middle is forming a sound of log. Then comes F-O-G, fog. So alphabet O over here in the middle forms a sound of fog. Then comes D-A-Y, day. So A in the middle over here forms sound of day. Then comes C-U-P, cup. So students, U in the middle forms sound of cup. So students, alphabet like A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels. Students, vowels helps to create sound. Now students, write A in each middle square. Now in the first square there are different alphabets given, which is B, E, T and G. If we put A in the middle, we'll get word like B-A-G, bag, and E-A-T, eat. Now over here there are alphabets like J, F, T and M. If we put A in the middle square, we'll get word like J-A-M, jam, and F-A-T, fat. Now students, write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. So in the first square, words are P-E-N, pen, and T-E-N, ten. So over here E alphabet is forming sound of pen and T-E-N, ten. Then over here F-U-N, fun is the word given, and B-U-N, bun. So U alphabet over here is forming sound of fun and bun. Then comes B-O-Y, boy, and C-O-W, cow. So alphabet O over here is forming sound. Then comes D-I-N, din, and P-I-N, pin. So alphabet I over here is forming sound of pin and din. Now read the words and join each one to its starting sound. Now students, previously we saw the sound which has been created in the middle of the words. Now we'll see sound created at the starting of the word. Now first word is vase. So join it to the vase at opposite, where alphabet V is there, which is creating sound of vase. Now house. Word house, we'll join it to the opposite word house, where alphabet H is creating sound. Now duck, D-U-C-K, duck. So alphabet D over here is creating sound. Then yell, Y-E-L-L, yell. So Y alphabet is creating sound. And R-O-P-E, rope. So R over here is creating sound. So students, I hope so you all understood the lesson. Thank you.